today is an exciting day. I'm going to show you how I booked my hotels through Expedia when I come to DaNang. So, saddle up and let's go.
When the storms of life overwhelms you, take a moment to take your life back.
When I just started my nomadic journey 2.5 years ago, I used to use AirBNB. But when I used AirBNB, I used to book it for a month and then I'd be locked in for the whole month. So if I don't like the area, I can't leave. So I stopped using AirBNB and started using Expedia. When I travel, I try to get a hotel always with a kitchen. Because living on the road, a lot of time you would like to have your home cooked meal. So today I'm going to show you how I booked my hotels. I'm going to go around and check a few of the hotels out for you so you could see what they're like for your journey to DaNang.
I leave for Thailand in 2 weeks as my Vietnam visa expires and I have to do a border run. So I need a place with a kitchen for when I return. With the Vietnam visa, they give you 90 days, and then once it expires, you have to leave the country, apply for another visa, and then re-enter. My first stop is at the Lahome apartments.
The beach is just a block behind me, so that's cool. Very cute. The pool is right in the center of the lobby. Very cute.
I really like this apartment because it's 4 minutes walk to the Key Beach and only 15 minutes from the airport. It has a wonderful rating, but most importantly, it has a kitchen. I would pay an average nightly rate of around $21 a night, and it has all the important amenities. Ooh, and the sauna and steam room.
Yeah, this is very nice. Get a nice kitchen. Living area, bedroom, and a very spacious bathroom. On to the next hotel to check it out. All the hotels that I'm checking out are from Expedia, so it's really easy for you, which is how I do it, to just go and book it. Make your job so much easier. But at least now you're seeing the streets. This way when you come, you'll know what you're looking for. I turned back because look how cute this is. This is how we do in our retirement. You're walking somewhere, you see something pretty, you go like, let's stop for a minute. Let's stop for a cup of coffee, real quick. They don't do coffee, they only do seafood, but I'm gonna show it to you real quick because this is such a cute restaurant.
One thing I love about DaNang, because it's home to the fisherman's village, you get so much fresh seafood. And you have these fresh seafood restaurants all over town. You just choose the seafood of your choice, they weigh it, and they cook it for you. I mean, Look at all these delicious items on the menu. I must come back and try it one day.
And on we go to the next location.
Our next stop takes us to the LIVIE Hotel. It is located a block away from the beach. Good nightly rate. It has an exceptional rating, pool, kitchen. When I book it, I will earn $1.17 in one key cash. It's only 5 minutes walk to the beach and 17 minutes drive from the airport. It has great amenities. I'm gonna go and check out the comfort suite room today with a balcony. Let's go look at it.
It's really a very good location to be in. You know, very central. And you know what I'm gonna say? You got your kitchen.
Beautiful, relaxing fish pond. Friendly dining area. Spacious bedroom. Small kitchen. A nice pool. Yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite. So now at least I have two options of a beautiful apartment for when I return from Bangkok. I hope this also helps you on your journey if you're planning to visit DaNang. I'm now going to check out the Mai Key Beach, which is only 5 minutes from the hotel.
The beaches here are so super clean.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fast. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.